Yeah. So we at the Carmen here in Mishawaka, Best Buy.
Yeah.
We're about to do the what you call it? The rated card interview. All right.
I got a 2020 EcoBoost.
All right, bro.
Let me check this EcoBoost out, man.
No, I got. This is the EcoBoost.
God damn, that's a fat ass tire for an EcoBoost.
No, yeah, it's
let's keep.
What's your rating your car? That's out of 10.
I'll give it a 7. Nice little 7. What you got, bro?
A little, 345, 5.7 Hemi,
I said me. Okay.
Alright, bro. So
Okay. I see that.
wait.
Okay. Yeah, you said it's a 5.7? I'm showing off the car.
Alright.
You said it's a 5.7, right? 5.7. Alright. A la verga, güey, muévete. Okay.
What's your rating this 5.0? Hell nah.
It's like 9.5.
9.5. What's your rating your own?
You better have said that shit. 8.
8.
8?
Hell nah.
I don't know.
Alright, bro. So what's your rating this guy? 7 out of 10.
Damn, bad.
10. Alright, bro. Let us know what you got right here. What's your rating your car to 10? Say 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10?
Yeah, I'd agree.
Come on, man. Alright, bro. So what's your rating this 5.0 out of 10?
I'll give it a 7.
7? What you got here?
It wasn't. I blew up a 6.2 motor. Now I got a 6.0 iron block with a supercharger. Pushing like 700.
700 to the wheel? What are you rating your car to 10?
I don't know. Looks right now, it looks pretty stock. By looks, probably like a 5 or 6.
5 and 10? You know if you're going to agree with you?
Maybe.
Alright, 5 to 10. So, what are you rating this mirror by?
Be honest. Like a 7 out of 10.
What are you rating yours by?
Mine? Probably 5.
5. So what are you rating this here?
7 like 5.
It's an even. I gotta get a 10. 10 out of 10. It's a 10.
Yeah. So once I get that,
What are you rating your car?
56. It's got a lot of issues. Then I should be able
And it's all about looks, though. Looks. All about looks.
Maybe a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Bro, you really got 6. You know if you agree with you?
I don't know, a lot of people like it.
They don't on my grind, bro.
Yeah.
It's just an interview video. What do you rate this car?
Pretty nice. I give that one 7.7.
7 out of 10. Alright, what do you rate your own car to 10?
Phantom. I think that's like a 8.4.
8.4. You think other people gonna agree with you?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Haters gonna hate. Shake Baker hesitate.
Weak ass Audi.
What are you rating this car to 10?
Get the fuck out. Ruin it. Stop.
Hey, shut up, you're ruining the interview.
You said what? A 6?
Sitting as it is, probably 6.
What are you rating this car to 10? 5. Alright, what are you rating your car to 10?
Like 7.
7.
Scat Cat, what happened to Hellcat? Mom. Yeah, I feel it.
Yup.
Huh? Yeah, I feel it, bro. I feel it.
Give it a solid 9.
Solid 9.
Sure. I can't rate other people's cars. I know what he's pushing in it, so. Will it be on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you have
Yes.
YouTube?
Well, I didn't hear what they rated it though.
I said 0. Oh, good shout. No, I'm just kidding. Let me see. Hey,
I'm gonna need that proof real quick.
that's hard.
Yeah, she subscribed. Yeah, yup.
I give it like an 8. I've seen better.
Alright.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. What do you rate this 5%?
He cool. He cool.
I thought you were gonna say a fucking 0. No, like 5. Alright. What do you rate this 5%?
Like a 7.5.
7.5?
Like 7.5.
Alright, so what do you rate this 5.0 out of 10?
I rate that at
8.5? What do you rate this 5%? 9?
We got booted again because somebody being reckless on the main road. And the LT, the lieutenant, just called and said we can't be here now.
They're messing up my grind, bro.
Yeah, bro. What car you drive?
I already said RT Hemi.
Oh, what the fuck?
So what? Nah.
That's slow ass.
Hey, what you gotta say to the camera?
Free the real.
For real. What you gotta say?
Hey, man. Slide real quick.
Take care of that cat. Scat cat.
My boy keep bagging, man. Hey, you want to insert the clip, bro? I see where his stomach came out of the sweater.